Did you know that over 70% of people believe in the power of manifestation, yet only a fraction truly harness this potential? It's wild, right? Today, we're diving deep into how you can be part of that successful group. So stick around. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a topic that's been gaining serious traction in 2024. Manifestation. This isn't just some trendy buzzword. It's a powerful concept that can change your life for the better. Whether you want to attract more success, improve your relationships, or enhance your overall well-being, understanding how manifestation works is crucial. As we navigate through this year, let's explore why mastering this art can be a game changer for your personal growth. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get into it. All right, let's face it, manifestation can be a bit confusing. Many people have misconceptions about what it really is. Some think it's just about positive thinking, while others believe it's a magical solution that requires no effort. But here's the truth. Manifestation is so much more than that. It's a combination of mindset, belief, and action. One common challenge that folks face is the feeling of frustration when things don't happen as quickly as they expect. You might be visualizing your dream life, but if you're not taking aligned actions, it's easy to feel stuck. Plus, there's that nagging voice in your head that says, "Can I really do this?" It leads to self-doubt and can derail your progress. And let's not forget about the influence of social media. With so many influencers sharing their instant success stories, it can make you feel like you're doing something wrong. But remember, everyone's journey is different. It's essential to recognize these challenges and misconceptions as part of the learning process. Now that we've identified some of these hurdles, let's dive deeper into how you can overcome them. Let's talk about something that everyone experiences on the journey of manifestation: doubt. It's that little voice in your head that whispers, "Maybe this isn't for you," or "What if you fail?" It's completely normal to have doubts, but it's important not to let them control you. Acknowledge the inevitability of doubt. Doubt is a natural part of any growth process. It's okay to feel unsure or hesitant at times. The key is to recognize these doubts and not let them paralyze you. Don't let doubt derail you from your goals. When doubts creep in, remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. What are your dreams and aspirations? What do you want to achieve? Focus on the bigger picture and don't let temporary setbacks discourage you. Address your doubts and insecurities head on. Instead of ignoring your doubts, try to understand them. What are the underlying fears or insecurities that are fueling these doubts? Once you identify them, you can start to work through them and find ways to overcome them. Remind yourself of your reasons for wanting to achieve your goals. When doubt starts to cloud your vision, reconnect with your motivations. Why is it important for you to achieve these goals? What will it mean for your life and the lives of those around you? Let these reasons fuel your determination and push you forward. Focus on the positive aspects of your journey. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Recognize the steps you've already taken and the lessons you've learned along the way. This positive reinforcement will help you build confidence and resilience in the face of doubt. Remember, the journey of manifestation is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, but as long as you keep moving forward, you'll eventually reach your destination. So, how do we harness the true power of manifestation? First off, it's all about clarity. You need to be crystal clear on what you really want. Write it down, visualize it, and feel the emotions tied to your desires. This is where the magic begins. Next up are the techniques. A fantastic way to kickstart your journey is by crafting a visualization board. Think of it as a tangible vision of your dreams, a collage of inspiration that you can interact with daily. Get creative. Find a physical corkboard or explore digital apps to curate a collection of images, powerful quotes, or anything that sparks joy and aligns with your aspiration. The key is to make it visually appealing and emotionally resonant. Every glance at your board will reinforce your intentions, keeping your goals front and center and motivating you to take action. These are positive, empowering statements that you repeat to yourself, effectively rewiring your brain for success. Begin each day by declaring affirmations that resonate with your deepest desires and goals. For instance, affirm, "I am worthy of success," or "I attract abundance effortlessly." Feel the truth of these words as you speak them, allowing them to penetrate your subconscious mind. This practice gradually shifts your mindset from doubt and limitation to confidence and possibility, aligning your energy with the reality you wish to manifest. Another technique is the gratitude practice. Focus on what you're grateful for in your life right now. This raises your vibration and attracts more positive experiences. You'll be surprised at how quickly things start to shift when you come from a place of gratitude. And don't forget the importance of taking action. Manifestation isn't just about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. You need to take inspired action towards your goals. This could mean networking, learning new skills, or even stepping out of your comfort zone. The universe loves a go-getter. Now, let me share a quick personal story. A couple of years ago, I was in a pretty rough spot, feeling lost in my career. I decided to fully commit to my manifestation practice. I created a visualization board filled with images of my dream job, wrote affirmations, and practiced gratitude daily. Fast forward a few months, I took a leap of faith and applied for a position that felt out of reach. To my shock, I got an interview and eventually landed the job. It was a pivotal moment for me, proving that manifestation really works when you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions. So, if you're feeling stuck, remember, your breakthrough could be just around the corner. To wrap things up, manifestation is about understanding your desires, overcoming misconceptions, and taking empowered action. When done right, it can truly transform your life. Remember to stay clear on your goals. Utilize techniques like visualization and affirmations, and always come from a place of gratitude. The journey of manifestation isn't always linear, but with persistence, you'll unlock incredible opportunities. And remember, doubt is a normal part of the process. Don't let it discourage you. Instead, use it as an opportunity to strengthen your resolve and reaffirm your commitment to your goals. So, what do you think? Have you had any experiences with manifestation? I'd love to hear your stories in the comments below. And if you want to dive even deeper into this topic, check out my other videos on manifestation techniques. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.